Conference rooms are very common, but an innovative conference room will require an interactive touch panel with a digital podium that has various functionalities. The Educorp portable digital podium is equipped with modern features such as automated adjustable LED display with wireless keyboard and mouse, along with storage spaces for visualizers or laptops with lock mechanism. It also has built-in amplifier speaker and microphones in addition to handheld wireless mics. This kind of setup can be used in seminar halls, boardrooms, lecture halls, meeting rooms, or any presentation rooms.